Hola, cordial saludo. Mi nombre es Eligia Rosa Alarcón Moreno. Actualmente curso sexto semestre y la actividad que voy a presentar es para la Corporación Universitaria Caribe SECAR en la asignatura de inglés en la unidad 1. Hello teacher, I am your downgrade. Let's talk about friends. My closest friend is Adriana and now we've been friends for over 10 years. We met in a concert and as a surprise, she ended up to be my co-worker in the school. I not had many friends. Social networking. I think that I got about two other friends, but I do not talk with all of them. I had many friends when I was growing up, but it should remember Anna, Stella, Anna, Mariana. I know these years we went to ski to her and we had many memorable moments. I do had friends who had a Shannon, for example, Paul and Manuela are missionaries and they have two different countries, do it social labors and making good known as it they involve don't different cultures and doable often. Thanks for listening. Gracias.